In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Loki to Grafana to view and query logs. By the end, you'll have Grafana talking to Loki so you can visualize and query your logs with ease. First, make sure you can access your Grafana instance and that your Loki server is running and reachable. You'll also want to know the URL where Loki is exposed. If you're running Loki locally with the default settings, that's typically http://localhost.3100. If Loki is running in Docker, Kubernetes, or behind a reverse proxy, use the address that Grafana can actually reach over the network. Let's start inside Grafana. Log in, and on the left-hand menu, open Connections, then choose Data Sources. This is where Grafana manages integrations with databases and services. If you're in a new workspace, it might be empty. That's perfectly fine. Next, click Add Data Source. In the catalog, search for Loki and select it. Loki is Grafana's log aggregation system, and this selection tells Grafana exactly how to talk to it. If you're using a managed setup, you might see options labeled for hosted environments. For a self-managed or local Loki, just pick the standard Loki entry. Now we'll configure the connection. In the URL field, enter your Loki URL. For a default local install, type http://localhost.3100. If your Loki runs elsewhere, enter that address instead, including HTTPS if you're using TLS. Most other settings can be left at their defaults unless your environment requires something specific, like custom authentication headers, TLS certificates, or a different query timeout. Leaving defaults is a great starting point, and you can always revisit these settings later as your setup evolves. With the URL in place, click Save and Test. Grafana will attempt to reach Loki and validate the connection. A success message confirms that everything is wired up correctly. If you see an error, double-check the URL, make sure Loki is running, and confirm that Grafana can reach it over the network. In containerized or clustered environments, ensure the URL points to the service address that Grafana can access, not just one that works from your laptop. And that's it. Loki is connected. From here, you're ready to explore logs, build panels, and power dashboards with rich, label-based queries. As you grow, consider organizing your labels in Loki for faster searches and clearer visualizations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new logging workflow with Grafana and Loki.